Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is a Primark haul. I'm going to show you all the things that we picked up recently for Amelia. If you didn't know, Amelia is my baby. She is 12 weeks old today. I'm just looking down there because she's currently in her sleepy head, as you can hear on the floor, watching me talk to myself. She is currently 12 weeks old. As of today, I can't believe it just goes so fast. So for Christmas, she got quite a few vouchers for various things, different places, things that we could buy her that we needed, because obviously she was so tiny at Christmas that she didn't really need anything. But I know people love to buy something, especially for a baby. So we had asked for vouchers if anyone wanted to get her anything specific. A voucher for Primark would have been great. So we went to Primark the other week and picked up a few little bits for her that she can wear throughout this year. I didn't want to get her things that she's going to wear straight away because they grow so fast. Like, you don't realise it until you have your own baby that they just grow out of things so quickly, and she has quite a few clothes already. So yeah, I picked up things that would benefit her throughout the year. I'm going to mention as well a couple of things I picked up yesterday. I got a couple of bits from Morrison's and one thing from the White Company, so I'm going to tag that onto the end of this video because I'm not going to do a separate video about it, but I wanted to mention them because they had really good sales on, so I'll talk about that towards the end of the video. So I'm just going to crack on while she is like settling herself to sleep. So the first thing that we got her from Primark is this little denim shirt with the cutest little like ruffle details and the cutest little pearlescent buttons or poppers. Yeah, they're poppers on this one. It's got really cute details on it and I absolutely love this. I got this in a size 3 to 6 months, which is probably a tiny little bit big for her now, even though she's hit the 3 months. She's still quite small. If you didn't know, she was born 3 weeks early, so she was a tiny baby. So she's still playing catch up to quite a few of the clothes. So I know that 3 to 6 months, the size is probably going to last her till she's probably like 7, nearly 8 months old. But this was £5 and I saw it and I just could not resist. She's got a really cute little denim dress and she just looks so cute in denim. I know I'm biased, but yeah, I picked up a little denim shirt for her. I also got it in a similar, or if not the same, pretty much the same top. This one, so cute. This was £4.50 down to £2, and I thought I got this in the 6 to 9 size, but I got it in 9 to 12 because it says 6 to 9 on the hanger, 9 to 12 on the label. It is Primark. I've seen this for ages and I really wanted to get it for her, but I don't know why, I just never did. But it's got really cute detail on it. It's got nice little glitter bits on it, and I just thought with leggings or with little jeans this would look really cute. So I picked that up for £2. I could not resist. We then picked her up this, which was £10, and this is one of those like sleeping bags. It's a Winnie the Pooh one. I got this in the size 0 to 6 months. Again, I know she'll be in it for a little bit longer than 6 months. She has one of these, but it's a tiny baby one that she's just grown out of. So yeah, I picked her up this one. I think it's got such cute little pictures on it. I love anything Winnie the Pooh. Super cute. And it says Pooh Bear on it. So yeah, I picked her that up and that was £10. That was one of the more expensive things that we picked up. I then got her like duplicates but in bigger sizes of some leggings that I adore her in. The first ones are these. They're both sets. So the first one is this one. This was £3 down to £1, so I couldn't leave it. It is like more wintry. She has some of these that she's outgrown now. They've got such cute little penguins on and little snowflakes. They didn't have it in like a year size, otherwise I would have got them for like next Christmas. But it was these ones that came with some grey ones, which I know are going to go with so many of her clothes that she's got, because she has a lot of neutral things, because we didn't find out if we were having a boy or a girl. So yeah, we had a lot of neutral stuff bought for us and we bought loads of neutral stuff. So grey is going to go with any of her clothes. And I do love the penguins, even though it's not Christmas. These ones I picked her up, which she's actually wearing today, but the smaller size. These were £4 for the set, and it's these little polka dots, which go with, again, so many of her clothes. I love her in these. She's wearing them today. And then you also get a little pink pair, but they've got the cutest little like ruffle on the bottom. I love girls' clothes because they're so like, they're just so cute and like ruffly, and there's all like ruffles on the bums and stuff. I just love it. The next thing we got her was this little dress. We're going to a nice little posh birthday meal in a couple of months, so I thought it'd be nice if she made a little effort and dressed up. So we picked up this dress in 6 to 9 months. It was £8. I love, love, love all the sort of lace detailing on it. It's like a little mini wedding dress, and then it has really pretty little buttons on the back, but that was £8, so I picked that up so she can like dress up if she needs to, which she will need to for this particular meal. And then to go with the dress, I picked these up. These were supposed to be £3.50, but they're now £2, and I mean, how cute. I love little baby shoes, and I just could not leave them behind for £2, and I think they went with the dress really well. So yeah, picked those up. They're so cute. Right, she's starting to settle again in her sleepy head, so if you hear little squirmy noises, it's not me. So the last thing that I picked up from Primark is this coat. It is a white polka dot, it's white with black polka dots little coat. It has got a really nice fleecy inside. I could picture her just like on the beach in this. We go to the seaside quite a lot, so I could just picture her on the beach in this, you know, on a wet windy day, walking up and down the beach, or running in some little bright yellow wellies or something. This was £10, and I got it in the size 6 to 9. I really, really like it. So yes, that's the last thing from Primark. I'm just going to quickly add on to the end of this video 3 things that I picked up yesterday. I wasn't going to talk about them, but then I ended up buying them, so I thought I'd just tag them on the end of this video. They're not from Primark. I'll just quickly rattle them off. So the first thing is from the White Company. This was £16 down to £8, and I could not leave it in the shop. I had to get it. This is in the size 3 to 6 months, and it's this really cute baby pink baby grow. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. It is super stretchy, so I think she's gonna probably be like 7 or 8 months old, just because she's so small in comparison to other babies. So I picked that up from the White Company yesterday. We then went to Morrison's and picked up a couple of bits. So Jay's mum bought her these little red shoes, which are so cute. They are in the size 6 to 9 months. They were £4 down to £2.25. They had, my particular Morrison's had loads of these left, but they were in bigger sizes, but I thought they were so cute. And Jay's mum said that she would treat Amelia to some little shoes. So yeah, she picked up those. The last thing that I got, and this may seem extreme, I got it in a size 1 year. We have already booked our little Christmas getaway. We are going to the forest. We're going to Centre Parks for a whole week over Christmas. I'm super excited for it. It's like our little family tradition. I've been going since I was like Amelia's age, so it's nice that I can now repeat that tradition with her. And I saw this in Morrison's yesterday. It was supposed to be £16 down to £9, but once you see it, hopefully you can like visualise the Instagram post come in. Yeah, it was this. And it also comes with some little red tights, but I mean, can you picture it in the forest? Just starting to walk, or hopefully walking by them. Super, super cute. I had to pick it up. That is everything for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you are new, I'd love it if you stuck around and subscribed for more videos from me and this little one. Yeah, so subscribe and stick around. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all very soon for another video. Bye bye.